Hey guys, so we were just building a new chicken perch today, and it made me curious if I could cut the plywood that we were using with a handsaw. So I tried it. It's a lot of work. And honestly, it kind of scared me a little just because I'm not a super pro at it. So if you're wondering if you can cut plywood with a handsaw, the answer is yes, but it's sure a whole lot easier with a circular saw. So go ahead and use the circular saw and don't feel too bad about it because you're in good company. So make sure you give this a like, and why not subscribe when you're here? Then you can learn all sorts of other crazy things along with me.